Happy Monday, here I am again in Canyon Country. We have here a roof that the underlayment is bad. Roof we're gonna do like almost 5 square. See how is the underlayment, full of mark of lake, falling apart. So even if you don't have the complete roof, we can take care of you part of the roof to be ready for the winter. So again, give us a call. Perfect Roofing, best company in town. Thank you. Hello everybody, here I am back to Canyon Country. Ready. We're just gonna cover the roof, we're gonna install back the tile, and we're done.